All right, guys, welcome back to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor. Welcome to video 18. Now we're going to, I'm going to still teach you the substitution method with the distributive method, and we're going to solve for X and Y as well, one at a time. All right, so we're going to use the same problems we had for the last video, but we're going to start substituting for X and Y. All right, guys, let's look at number one. First off, we're going to draw an X here and a Y here. All right. And not all of them we're going to do because these number 5, and number 6, we're going to substitute for M. So also I'm going to draw here an X and a Y, and something that we're going to introduce are ordered pairs. Let's do a comma there. All right, so our X is going to go here, our Y is going to go there. So we're going to solve for X, then solve for Y. So let's look at number 1. 2 times X plus Y. All right, and to solve for X, we're going to put something in there for Y. So let's do 2 times X plus 5. Okay, we're going to put that 5 right in there and substituting it for the Y. All right, so now distributive method, because these are unlike terms. In addition, can't do it. And then let's do plus 10. So 2 times X is 2X, 2 times plus 5 is plus 10. All right, guys, so we can't go any further, can we? But we will add a number there, and we're going to pick 0. Okay, that way we can extend it. Okay, I left that out on purpose just to show you the difference between if there was a 0 there, you can't go any further, and if there was, and that 0 doesn't have to be just a 0, it could be any number, right? All right, so now we can go further. All right, in public schools, they'll probably have this already on there for you, okay? So let's do the cancellation method. All right, so drop down your 2X, and that's a minus 10. All right, and still we need to get X by itself, so take that 2, positive 2, and add it there and there, and cancel, X equals positive into negative is positive, 2 into 10 is 5. So negative 5. All right, let's do Y, guys. Let's do Y. All right, 2 times X plus Y. We're going to solve for Y equals 0. Okay, because we don't want to get stuck, right, with unlike terms. All right, so now let's substitute that X for 4. So 2 times 4 plus Y equals 0. Okay, so now distribution method, because these are unlike terms, you can't do anything in there. 8 plus 2Y. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times Y is 2Y equals 0. All right, can't do anything with that, so let's process of canceling out inverse operations. All right, 2Y equals negative 8. All right, and now we still need to get Y by itself, so take that positive 2 and bring it down and bring it over. Y equals negative 4. Positive into negative is negative. 2 into 8 is 4. All right, guys. So we have a negative 4. All right, guys. We're not going to graph these, but eventually we will. All right. All right, guys. So let's go to number. Actually, I think we can do I can let you do number 2 and number 3 by yourself for mind growth. All right, homeschoolers, do number 2, do number 3 by yourself and copy off of this. All right, I want to see exactly this on your page, solving for X, solving for Y, and then get me your ordered pairs, which are going to be for X and Y. All right. All right, so do number 2 and do number 3. Um, Actually also do number 4 by yourself for yourself. Okay. All right. Let's go to number 5. Number 5. All right. All right, guys, let's do number 5. We're not solving for X and Y, but we are substituting for M minus 7. All right, let's put that 0 or that other number on the end of that so we can continue on. 2 times M is 2M. All right, we're substituting that M for 9. Substituting that M for a 9. Oops. Minus 7 equals 0. All right, but let's see if this is a solution though. So we're introducing a solution. We kind of touched on this earlier in another video, but we didn't go quite into it. Let's see if this is a solution. A solution is where the numbers match. If it's true on one side, equals true on the other side. So let's see if it is. So 2 times 9 is 18. Minus 7 equals 0. All right, and that's going to be 11 equals 0. This is false. False. This is not a solution because this number has to equal that number on that side. So this is false. So not a solution. All right, guys, let's see if number 6 is a solution. See if number 6 is a solution. So 3, and we're going to substitute M for 4. Substitute that M for 4 plus 1. And we can also, guys, you can do it the distributive way, or you can do it add like the order of operations way. But I'm going to add a 0 so we can continue on here. All right. Let's do 4 plus 1 is 5. So 3 times 5, excuse me, 5 equals 0. All right, and 3 times 5 is 15 equals 0. That is not a solution, guys. 15 does not equal 0. That is false. Not a solution. Write all that down, guys. Hope you guys are writing this down. All right, just like this. All right. All right, so not a solution. All right, guys. So I hope you have done 2, 3, and 4 by yourself. All right, homeschoolers, just like I'm doing now. Put the problem there, solve, do your work. I want to see your work, and also put down the answer. All right, guys. Catch you on video 19.